We'll guide you through how to fix still receiving calls with Do Not Disturb on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So what you found is you've gone and enabled Do Not Disturb, as you can see. But phone calls are still coming through. This can be a really annoying problem because of course you've gone and put your phone on Do Not Disturb for a reason, but those phone calls are still coming through. So what we can do is we can go and make it so they don't come through. It can be an annoying problem, but it can be easily solved. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise you may go miss an important part of this guide. So to go and get started, go and open up your settings. In settings, you want to go and scroll down and find the option for focus, and you can go and tap there. Now we need to go and find Do Not Disturb, like so. Now what we need to do is you want to go into people, and you can first of all, it's going to go and say allow notifications from. If you've got people added in here, what you can do is go and remove them. Let's go and say I had this person, you can tap them to remove them. So if they try and get in contact with you, it won't come through. And also where it says phone calls, you can see mine set to everybody. So all phone calls will be allowed. Go and set it to allowed people only and make sure no one's in that list there. And then what you can do is also go and switch off allow repeated calls, because otherwise a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. So what you can do is go and turn that off, and then that means that they are not going to come through. That's it. So hopefully I helped this video. You've now managed to make it so those phone calls are not going to come through.